Good morning, all you peeps out there. Good morning. I begin with my big mug of coffee with coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of fats, MCT oil, some hot water, and I'm going to blitz this in the blender. And I did put 1 teaspoon of collagen powder also. And so begins my day 2 of my egg fast. And this is the way I begin it every day. I do intermittent fasting, and that is exactly why. Now at 6 o'clock, I had a Diet Coke. So, hi, I'm Vernaz, and I'm glad you've been following my journey. And this is day 2 of my egg fast meal. Let me show you what I have ready to eat today for my dinner. Since I do intermittent fasting, I keep my entire meal for the night, and you can divide the same meal into 2 parts or even 3 parts. So let me show you what I have today. And here, so that's an egg salad which has been made with 4 eggs. Let's just stick to the eggs. The 4 eggs are in this. There are 2 eggs in the waffles. Okay, so that makes up for the 6 eggs. Then for the fats, where we also need 6 tablespoons, I have, let me just think, in the waffles, I have 1 tablespoon of butter. In the morning, I had 1 tablespoon of MCT oil with my coffee. And in the egg salad, there is 4 tablespoons of mayo. So that's also taken as a fat. So I'm perfect with my fat and protein ratio. And I've also used 2 ounces of cream cheese in the waffles, and with another 3 ounces I put some into my egg salad, and with the other 2 ounces I made some cheese crisps. So this is my wonderful meal. So let me take a bite, and I'm really excited. By the way, I'm not getting fed up at all of eggs. At least this is day 2, so not till now. So that's my egg salad with the cheese and everything in it. And that's my cheese crisp with it. So I can take a bite like that. Sorry. And sorry, I've got food in my mouth. I'm also going to make this waffle into a sandwich. I kept it savory, so I'm going to fill it with the egg salad and cheese mixture, and we'll have a lovely sandwich along with that. So day 2, successful. 82% fat, 16% protein, and 2% carbohydrates. So let's see, after day 1 I lost 2 pounds which is almost 1 kg. Let's see what day 3 brings. So thanks for watching, and see you in day 3, and of course all the rest of my recipes. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. So take care, and bye then.